In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images on Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save the image you want to your device without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI website. This platform is a next-generation tool for AI images and video, and it hosts a public gallery you can browse. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so all options are available to you. Some content or buttons can appear differently depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the flow is the same. Once you're on the home page, look for the Explore option in the main navigation. Click it to open the gallery. This page is where you'll see a wide range of creations from the community and featured work from the platform. Give the page a moment to load. Thumbnails may take a second as high-quality previews populate. If you want, you can scroll to get a feel for styles and subjects. Many galleries support filters or search, so use those to narrow results if you have something specific in mind. When you spot a picture you like, select it to open its detail view. This is helpful because it shows the image larger and ensures you're downloading the correct version. Take a second to confirm the composition and quality look right. If you're on a smaller screen, rotate your device or pinch to zoom for a clearer look. Now, find the three-dot menu associated with that image. This icon is often called the Overflow or More menu, and it typically appears near the top right of the image page or alongside the image actions. On mobile, it may sit near the bottom action bar. Tap or click those three dots to reveal additional options. From that menu, choose Download. Your browser will either begin downloading immediately or prompt you to pick a save location. If you get a dialog, choose a folder you'll remember, like your Pictures folder, and keep the default file name so you can identify the source later. Most images download as standard formats like JPG or PNG, which open easily on any device. If the image opens in a new tab instead of downloading, use your browser's save option to store it locally. That's it. Go to the website, open Explore, pick an image, open the three-dot menu, and select Download. If you don't see the option, refresh the page, sign in if needed, or try another image. Enjoy your download and keep your files organized for easy access later.